Hello, trading has closed on August 3rd, 2021. Let's go over our disclaimer first, and we have some calls to make. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, August the 4th, 2021. Just remember, I can be completely wrong, and all trades should be at your own risk. Tell your friends about the channel and click like if you like it. Had a few calls. Here's what we said. We said the commonest thing was a gap and prompt move outside the day's range. I thought it was a negative pattern, look for lower prices, but there was a higher target. We gapped, promptly move outside the day's range, traded lower, but we also hit the higher target, 4403.71. Target's a support resistance area. Here it acted as support. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. During the day, MEJT said this rally was false, gives a target most likely to print by early Thursday, 43.80.90. Unless we gap up smartly, that's my call. There's an optional target, 43.74.23. 95% chance we see this tomorrow. I know it's pretty far away, but that's what the system says. And don't forget, 95% isn't 100%, but these things are calling for a big drop. The afternoon, we got an ultimate sell signal. We got the minimum. We usually get more, and we did. System also generated a higher target, and it obviously printed. All these moves were going to retrace according to the system, and they did. Here's a rally that starts off impulsive, winds up overlapping. This may not be the only way to count it, but unless proven otherwise, I think it's an ending diagonal triangle. In the end of the move up. It doesn't have to end right here, but it should be the last leg. My count from the low in July is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today's low with good fibs and a clear 5 waves up. Wave 5 is exactly equal to half of wave 1. Doesn't mean it's the only place it can stop. Excuse me. But there's a pattern compatible with this being over. And we have lower targets. And it is the count with the early low. So ideally, if I'm right, you won't see a higher price and we'll get an early low really early with a pretty significant drop right from the word go. It's not the only way things have to play out, but if it doesn't play out that way, I'd be suspicious. Otherwise, we have lower targets unless we gap up smartly. That's my call, 43.80.90 and optionally 43.74.23. Just remember, I could be wrong, and if we gap up smartly, 43.80.90 remains on the table, but not the time. And that is today's call.